So, as you know, recently we bought this Tekjoy Airjoy Cool Mist Humidifier. We bought it off of Amazon, and it was $50. Pretty good for humidifiers. And it's really high quality. It's got this handle. It's pretty easy to fill with water. It's a very straightforward design. So as you can see, we have the base right here. If I could get it open, there we go. So let's just fill her up here. And a little bit more. There we go. Now we're talking. Have this nice little channel. Everything really fits together pretty nicely. If you could go on. Gotta seal it pretty tight. But as you can see, as I flip it over, no spillage. So isn't that great? All you have to do to assemble it is really just kind of twist this till it goes on. Ow. But don't put your fingers under it, kids. So this turns, but since we did the test, we figured out there's a lot more stuff. So we have Tekjoy right here. So if you turn the power on, it automatically sets it to medium. And it starts spraying out fumes. Doesn't mind if you do that. So you can set it to low. And low is like really low. Medium, which you've already saw. And high. High is quite high actually. So yeah, we have this stylish timer, which goes for 4 hours. We have this nice little lights on top. 8 hours. And 12 hours. Or if you click it again, it just goes until it's empty. Then we have the light, which we figured out something new. So we have, if you click this button 8 times, 1, 2, well, the first 7 are red, green, green is 2, blue is 3, indigo is 4, pink is 5, kind of grayish purple is 6. Here's 7, we got turquoise, but the 8th, you might think it's this color. I thought it was this color. But it changes color. So, if you're like me and you want to customize this thing, just go for on, 4, high, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how I like to customize it. Comment down below how you like to. But until then, I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.